Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can install or uninstall Angular, Node and NPM on your Windows system. So let's get started with the video. अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को करें सब्सक्राइब और साथ ही साथ दबाएं बेल का आइकन, जिससे जब भी मैं नया वीडियो डालूं आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. So guys, basically firstly I'll show you how to install Node.js on your laptop. I have already installed. I'll just show you how to download and install on your laptop. So you can see here, you can just go to nodejs.org/eng/download, and you will be able to see this page here, and you can see a Windows installer or Mac installer. So I'm using Windows, so I will be using Windows here, and from here you can download for 32-bit or 64-bit. I am using 64-bit and I have already downloaded it and I have already installed it. You have to just install it as normally as other setups, and after installing Node.js just restart your laptop, and then you have to go to Node.js, and you will able to see here Node.js command prompt. So just click on this, open this, and I will just show you that I have already installed. I'll tell you the version here. So Node.js version is 14.0.0, and I will show you npm version also here. npm version is 6.14.4. so I firstly am having some problem with my installation, so I will uninstall my Angular and npm, and then I will show you how to install it again. Okay guys, so let's get start with the command npm uninstall @angular /cli. I will just uninstall it. It might take few minutes. So I have installed Angular. Now I will run npm cache clean minus -f force. So this will clear the cache, whatever the caches are left after uninstallation. So I have cleared the cache here. So I'll show you how to install npm or Angular globally. So let me see. I think npm is already I think installed here. Let me see again. So it's already installed, let it be. Now I will show you how to install Angular here. So you have to just write npm minus install minus g @angular /cli. So what this command basically will do, it will download the Angular /cli from npmjs.com. So you can go and you can check there. Let me show you that also. So what basically it's doing here, let me install it first. Till then the browser will you can directly write npm install @angular /cli also, but I want to install Angular globally on my Windows, so I am using -g here. You can see here -g means globally. So here let me show you. Let's go to the npmjs.com and npmjs.com. it will use your internet connection to download Angular from the npm website. So you have to just write here Angular, and you will able to see the latest version of Angular here, and you will able to see the command also which we are using here. You can see here we are using a command here, npm install -g @angular/cli. So guys, see, this is all from Google Wormbot. You can see here Angular CLI. So we are using this Angular CLI. And you can see here the command also. We are installing it globally. I already told you, you can directly write npm i @angular/cli, but we are installing it globally, so that's why I am using -g. So in this way you can, whatever the packages are available here, npm packages are available here, you can just download or you can just install it using the npm install and the package name. So I'm installing Angular here. Let it get installed. You can get all the packages, I mean whatever package you want. Suppose you want a cache package here, that you can see it will be available here. So these are all the packages whichever you want to use in your Angular project. So basically I'm just showing you how to install Node, npm and Angular on your Windows. So let's wait for the installation. And there is no such dependency like PHP, that you have to install it or you have to create your project on under htdocs only, or in the localhost folder only. You can, in Angular you can use from anywhere on your Windows. So I'll show you. And you can see it's already installed, and it has taken almost 206 seconds. And let's go to D directory, and I think I'm already in D directory. So let's go to back, cd, and I will create a folder here, make direct Angular Pro, and I will hit enter. Now I will go to Angular, and then I will create a project here. So how to create a project? You have to just write ng new, and I will write the name of my project here. Suppose my Pro 1. Okay, and you have to just hit enter here. So let me show you. You can see here Angular Pro is created, and now it's asking me, do you want to add routing? Yes, I want to add routing here. So I will just write yes, and it will ask for what CSS, what type of CSS you will be using. So we will be using SCSS. So it will install the package here. You can see here my Pro 1 is already created. And I will recommend to use Visual Studio editor for creating Angular projects. You can use Sublime, but I will suggest you to use Visual Studio editor for the creation of project. That is much better than Sublime. So guys, all the packages are successfully installed under my project 1, and let me show you. These are all the packages, and you can see here there are 3 folders: A2E, node modules, and src folder here, and there are some important files. So let me tell you whatever packages have been installed on your project one. These are all packages which have been installed. You can see here. If you want to install some other packages also, I have already told you how you can do that. Just go to npmjs.com website and just search for the package you want to install, and you will get the install command from there. Okay guys, and use that command on your command prompt here. So I have already installed, and let me tell you one more thing. If you want to check what all packages have been installed, so you can just go to this dot packet.json file, and you can just open this file with your Sublime or Notepad, whatever you are using. I'm just opening it on my Sublime Text here, and you will able to see here all the packages which have been installed. These are all the dependencies. If you want to you know install any package, you can install, and that will be added here. So later on you can check what all dependencies or what all packages are available on this folder. So guys, that's all for today's video. So in this video I have shown you how you can install Node.js on your Windows, and how you can uninstall your Angular, and how you can install your Angular again globally on your Windows system. So thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.